Hello, Sunflower Starbeam here. I'm styling a Shoto Todoroki wig today. I've actually styled and restyled this wig a good number of times, and I've never been happy with the end result. But I think I finally have an idea of what I want, and that's to create some very animated waves that follow the direction of his two-toned hair. I'm shaping these waves by heating up the fibers of the curling iron on low, twisting it with my fingers, letting it cool, and then hairspraying it. Since I'm not sure if I'll end up restyling this wig again, I'm using a cheap hairspray that I know is easy to wash out instead of got to be. It's a bit of a long process since I have to shape each wave by hand, but I think it'll be worth it in the end. Here I've switched to the red side. It's a bit harder to see than the white, both because of the contrasting color, and also because my hands keep getting in the way. But it's the same process. Heat, curl, and cool. Moving on to the back, I'm giving the top a few layers to work with by trimming the area with my thinning shears. I've decided to put a few waves and contrasting colors on the back for some added detail, and I think I like how it turned out. Back to the front, I'm working on taming the bangs. This might be adjusted when I put the wig on, but for now I've stuck the longer pieces to the side and pinched the front triangle. That's the look. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, like and comment so I know to make more in the future.